oh nyane utia ne yatum utia from 200 to 2000 obo ogene ne any 3 days 4 days kwa na utia but 1 week no kuta 2000 no di ni juma fido ye ba wo ba afei haban heba Mr. Share the latest in town malaria etri de obi ato them 1 week 2 weeks malaria keke enye haban unum ya e cut deep into your blood na kum parasite no to obi onya malaria no madro enko no nya haban ya said that the branding haban ya e kum malaria a enro ewo no kum malaria ankasa afa obi ha ontumi ni di otira aduane ho ana ne nsa ne ma no asori odidi kakra na asa aduane ne bofro no loss of appetite wo hian haban aduane no wo beta fre kwan no kra wo ayo ano ne kwansan ni mu afi ahia de aye ne say e boost immune system no onkwamo de wo mu no e komani nya hoden enti yade awodo bebre say oba wonya menstrual problems waist pains sleepless night ye friend insomnia and afi wo yema twitwa tukro ni nyina no typhoid fever ene yade ahodo wo de wo dia ne so benyan haban na wabu bobie wo na wo sene no wo den cold abeya enkrofo elasin sia we ya ofrewa pancho na wo to say amanfo hwina aboboboi enyan haban wonom ya wo na wo sene no Misty Heba Colinac Apidank Dani Fredimens upe wholesaler aboaso ye number no 0549 421234 0549 421234 dem mo pese woni doctor twetwen komo dia number no 0257 533 424 tiemiye anian kwanta eben bekwai 0257 533 424 so wo frɛ doctor number we ono betwetwen komo de how bia o ka che no beboa 0257 533 424 na yesene Franco Enterprise ai enra obi frɛ me na enra me hese oso Omanhene wo de jacuzzi nato ai tofin komo jacuzzi bi pa e de ato TV no so na tofin bo din na mse ai menua no bobo medin mane mo medin na jacuzzi de o dem bia enya grow now unya jacuzzi wo Franco papa WC yes sensor ene ye de enye sensor no say edin etini panka to ru bathroom on no abie we ya oni ma wie na asori abete twe na no aflash we hia so do nsakọ wo so anything bomodna ye wo cabinet glass basin kitchen sinks awodo bulletproof doors and we asia ehu e oto grenade kura na rocket propelled grenade kura intimi blast e begu form ho a ono map are protected in our family it we here sa doors ni bi ye wo turkey there or Chinese there LED mirrors so kan ya ura dem ho na ugina hwemu na siesie ho atun sa babawa oba ho fe executive showers ye wo bath accessories stand dryer plumbing pipes any ahodo nyina bi for 0551 011770 0551 011770 and 0551 011767 0551 011767 Anopay Mino Eche I promised that I will be teaching on keep your wife. Keep your wife. One say Genesis chapter 2 verse number 24. Yankopon asama okaye no. Wose na santi ena berima wankasa oba. Enti Bible mu eni wiase a ye betena ye no. Oba bia ni ho akoye bema ho ade da. So oba mpo ala di sika no a ode ma bema no na bema na be ye no ho ade. Bema bi ho no ma cha se opeso oware na em se wa wie ni ho to oba no so hwa. Na chesem no kra ka se ebere bi beduru no ma kra be ka se jisika na ye ho ade. Na fa odi ntu ye so keke. O se man sompo na be sere. To se wait na bari ma be jane ne na. Na wa de ho akobata ni yire no ma ye ho namba ko. Enu ti na bari ma na ware ye oba. awareɛ no si asɛn deɛ no ana no mekan no ɔbaa ne ma awareɛ gyina nanso so barima wɔ n'asɛdeɛ a wɔso ɔyɛ Nyankopɔn asɛm no sɛ barima free na gyane ne na hɔ a wɔnkɔne nam abɔntene. So there are some of the men who left their father and their mother's home. They are married but they are yet to go home. Jemeka what you say? Ya wo bema bia o jane na ne ne jane ne na ho. Akoware nso onuru fie odaso ne na mabonten. He's a bachelor husband. Boys in Yamana no ye noa. Oh, school fees chale yan ko he lie bi wa. Chale oh. Yan ko didi wa yan ko we wa. Boys sem na no ye noa oware ye no. Ontumi orienting ne ho sesem free boys sem no. Enti kane onware ye no no oba fie 12. Wo ware ye no sesi akwado de call 1. Onware ye no no on pra for be 9. Wo ware sesi akomu ye num. Oye sika by heart did sika basabasa. Wo ware still out dasu di sika basabasa. They will have our responsibility as a husband. And until what be our wario? Or wario all right. What so back away where the don't do and so body huna money. Or nunu ho. Or to you say bathroom susa and just was yes no. Or besani krunu krabe hu. Me no one sembi che. Bema. Enye bema tell say, let me say this to you. Young girl a worry. If you are dating a man, TMA, so only bema be she says some be worry. Nana numa sem yese or bad dear. O pass Sompa buane Johnny. Bema or kasa say, no bad dear. 1, omuma. 2, ebia oye matamfo. Uko brofuma, there is a word called misogynist, woman hater. Se sandi pano a taxi driver na trotro driver na so a doctor na so a there. Oh, who didn't also about rising in life? It's a politician oba rising or who is obano what in a tone of golf. Or a doctor crowd and a young could buy a doctor crowd and who he. Or a taxi driver no obey a chaka crowd to the dinner time. Then those who bad a car more for crowd and a jai cry. They are called misogynist, woman haters. So call be dear. Bompire parts ready. So my uncle a misogynist. O chirima o tama. Oh, who are background and the bofu and so be for the sake of procreation. Obeso woman. To onu say onya ne mam yenu miensa. Wo oba no say obedidi say obede ne mam kwa no hwe wo mo oba no won fa wo ho. Na re wo je na ni kan so say ne baba so de na ni ku no pa o. Eso oba na o ma no ne baba no fa na nya hwe. To wo so hwe ne mapa kama so ne yire ne ho betete kra o fa no ho. Mrs. Saw your bar na say what is so now person worry. Na bema na no mo asem okono omudi nkoma hom no ba de. Na ma de. Opa dwane. Sa word na wo hu ni sa keto abi no. Eye dangerous. Bema bi o kan bibia no, hwe ne life omuma. O te se bema bi kura bo ne ba ne yira ba so ana no hu ye na hi. Te se mi ni akadu ebe friend no kas oh me dofo ajewa ai otiwa boy we de o kire o person obete se ebo ba bia ba so kra nto no owo ba bia ye to aba na oba wo ha obe campaign tia no so onye ne body bia One pictures one pet. Tell me, I have some things for you. If you want to keep your wife, share. Because I keep your wife, ma obano enya enije ne ahoto ewo fie. Last week we spent time on women. The kind. Young man, why worry? And I feel worry. Do not scream on your wife or lay a finger on your wife no matter what. Do not scream. Emu bom entia tiamo ngu yire. Na enye bi dase obetre wonsa wo oba so. Hwe, be me bia otre sa oba so na dwiri mu oha. Ni atosu mienu oye hufuo. School fees. Opa mane kwa abonten na akra keto bi kura nka no hwe. So obeto ne nsa kra. Osro. He will come home and vent his frustration on the wife. Bema bia oten ne nsa bo ba bia me se na dwiri mu oha. Osaye hufuo. Na onim nyansa so. 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 7. Edi asem na Nyankopon ka. Husbands, in the same way, be considerate as you live with your wives and treat them with respect as the weaker partner and as heirs with you of the gracious gift of life, so that nothing will hinder your prayers. Treat your wife because he's a weaker partner. Na bema mwachedie obeni ka ukona bema bia toasho obaswa pupo bono na college na hoshe na wonya bodamfo a wo ye dey enya dambo munyi manwe enso kwa bontene small boy bi so pa ajejewa no wo se wo de onkontokwa efie na akontokwa. Be considerate as you live with your wives. Why should you lay a finger? Say na no den. Wa no ba na nsa ba. No waten sa wa hwe obasum amanani ayeko. E ma ni bebre glasses ese wo mo se no anadwo nyina obie na ni kira na ni ahono ni kuru na ball na sum. Obu o so kra one ne nware ye kra no obro no. Hey! Wasa ma na ware o. Bemba bi obetre ne nsa ba obia. Unware no emane nware uda enya ware na besisa no wose oware uwi a obebutu so the inside the body this time obebutu obitimi twi belt sa le sase ewe do sinachi Nigeria ni bai hwe na owai hwe mami ne nyum ne nyamsom hwe obey obani monyamfo fefefe tu nyoma enwusre sane ma asofo de ye adwuma se na ni kunu bro no be ma timi chichire ne bodem te se odwan no obrim no na nkwala yisu onne ne ho jese wan kraso beso ko ba bi ade na akwa na otia mu gu no so obi okra entiamu no kakra kwa na edum ne sunsum oba bi aware ne sunsum adum oni ani je odi nyamesum na ehe akire ku agya wade no dadadada eti aware ne ho no agu baima bi o ha o se ne yiri mu no hwan. You are always screaming on your wife. You are screaming on her. Bibi kakra bi na otre wonsa ubadam Nibusao Omano okahuana Womano okahu Sa utia oba utia o yire to sene utia omano okahu sene uyo obiba no ono so ye obiba obi antomago obunade osombo wa na busuam ti no omode ne mawo because ma omu say osombo ma. Keep your wife. Now when you ofie, last time I said women are like computers. Garbage in, garbage out. O baby how are you din or hell? Ada onsu tu ba kuma o. Usi wiase nyina mehwe. Be ma bi o hono ma na no ya. Kasefi tumi catch oba mami catch me no osu say ni kru catch and say na wo ema me no mo call out wo ni fun ai wo me de na me ware wo school fees say ma oni o mo call out crowd wo na wo ye fun crowd wo me hu de ya ada wo ye medura na be maka we che oba wo wi anwumre na asa kopetas kwa bottom it was for some time now. Ono yire da or the hot is a timedua. Woman, I think Kaira, ultimately dinner time. Sex is about emotions and about feelings. What do the feelings and emotions? On the energy, and to know yire da or say on Kenyano, Hong Kong. What do nija by your words, painful words, harsh words, screaming on top of your voice? Are they? Marriage, I said, is to be enjoyed, not endured. Keep your wife. Number 2, never expose your wife's weakness to your family and friends. I walk over him. We are seeing man in the on a while say about we na be school fees me ba wanum. No one out to so yire. Tis all the na corner say what weakness be a boado. Enya sambre we na wono nam fufuo wa wiase nyina din komo se wo yire woni ni huni wo yire to say what go oba na ni wase a kire busua ni nyina enti uni ama mu na afa na ye oya o ma me ababo so no ogu aware na afa na ye oya una wa say na kire wiase. So ya kwadwofo or to say why ya am obi ahun say onye oba pa afei wona fofo mu na wa mu na unu anomba ni nkuma afo fa ne nyehwe ne nso no fa ne nyehwe a ehaw wona wakoton no. Keep your mouth shut. Mema ni bi pekasa baby husbands. Asem si fia no dimrika no akofre ne maame no ne maame di nkomo ne yire ne nakasa wie no this okoje okwa abusa wo ne maame ne papa ho ne sister pani bi de ne sister pani ni be kan ye final ne yire kashia ontie ena o kan sem fa ne yire ho kire ne nuanom ne namfonom. Keep your mouth shut. Your wife's weakness call for your sympathy, not your condemnation. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 28 to 30. I said your wife's weakness. So husbands ought to love their own wives as their own bodies. He who loves his wife loves himself. For no one ever hated his own flesh, but nourishes and cherishes it. Just as the Lord does the church, for we are members of his body, of his flesh and of his bones. Okunu dawo yire se wa ho. Wo dawo bi a won kan chiri sem tan. Wo dawo bi a won nya niam a tan tia no. Stop talking to people about your wife. Number 3. Husband, do not keep hurt and mistakes of your wife inside you. It will always change your mood and attitude. Obana yem from so and fan shewumu. The more you keep you from so muno, it will change your mood and attitude towards her. Do not keep mistakes and issues of your wife. And I know your obama be o hono ma me say or pen the paper. Me who be that? Obana boni ano atwero. Tidako no afreno. On the 24th of historian husband on the 24th of August we say you can say on the yeah pressure now time you are keeping wrongs or say love does not keep wrong and yes aneka odonya day and crab on it and crab from swap. And most often are not, those are the people, the moment they wrong you, they want you to forgive them. Oya bonia opeso the channel. But sao kruno, obebi ya bonia, it will take you a whole year. No fan channel. Obiara county. This on no akumatonium. Do not keep hurt and mistakes of your wife inside you. It will always change your mood and attitude. Ever since someone nim to be to obu on any kasa on any ending common crown or the camuna. Only can watch you be and son or ban crab and chain. Number 4. Never compare your wife to your ex-lover. It hurts women and it makes them feel inferior. Never compare your wife to an ex-lover. And for we didn't to now ex-lover no your papa I don't know worry about oh you know. Also a papa chen we I don't know worry. Now do or baby I want to sign. E twa we yire mpoa. Bema betimi money girlfriend crack kwine mo didi ne yira tem. Na wo oba na wo kodidi na tem no awrade nyankopon. Wonim se wa wie. Won se eniama nyina twa ye wo so akofa small girl bi. Ahyewa fe de wo ultimate. Mate bi so ba ya wo dis ha mate ne kokko. Na wo de oba na ono no ye oba warefo no kron kasai. Wo girlfriend akontokwa. Wo so wiem. Komfort de yonkoko say ade na abawi ade. Mu nyina na mu wia kwa no tumai. Na bema bitimi ma ne girlfriend opportunity mo tumi kasa tia na yire. O wi asa ka chan say wo pe na bai. You are comparing your ex-lover to your, especially even in bed. Your best stars are quite dumai. A dumai cheho. Obano pano motete ho na benya stars akese. Ya fe na akobu obi besisi agum. Young girl na o yi star no. O ware ni kunu asa star no onyima no. Just that time no wo koyi anafra na kune ajaku we say hanchan greg you said I Tianuntino the ex lover now didn't compare we hear it on your day obey to me no be no chere ebi awo ye gigolo why we guess and two him skills you know chere we hear obey hunu ye na wa won chere no wo so ana obi okra ni kranti wo ne oba ne be hia me de chere wo name me about name then I da by say just okasa tata sex is about emotions and mood and feelings. Never compare and yet number 5, do not talk harshly to your wife's friends, though you may confront or discuss with your wife. TMA, we make mistakes. One will baby. O ira down for no when you know down for far and no yirin kasa. Don't attack that friend. Tie, your baby how on no ira lam for years. They are like sisters. You have realized say beyond the suburban. Find a nice way to get closer to them and discuss certain issues. And commodity be crowded to the never be a women they listen but then you attack. When you didn't for 4 kuntokwa, and nobody came to this no pamu omo now ti omo warning. Oh boy, o shia omo shia din komodad. Na una unhunu ye. Afa bedru maybe no. O me kangi up. Why we on be sewa ware. And then am for bebre a gangi up asawa ye. Oh yo ma hinti o make cancel ma che o yira bedru maybe na yire kura mu. Oba no so nim say onya sanity na ni baba ne ho so no peer pressure. Na mu nyira mu ntem ne ntokwa ne ma basa na mfofo bi. Because of your posture and attitude. Men kase kwatata omo, but be wise and take good counsel. Don't attack your wife's friends. Go and nip them now, so go many mercy. They will rebel. Number 6, never treat your wife as one of your children. She is not part of them. TMA. Well, you didn't know, no. Bema to me, you're not the year I know. Hey, okay. Hey. Oh, hey. Me want him back to a crown. What did it tell him, mammy? The back girl could to a crown. I'm on. Mammy, now quay. Bra. What's so petty? We are not done any. None a year or worry, no. Hey. Now I'm a crowd in here. Hey. Ah, oh, you crassini. Hey, dear grass is 7. Obano won cow mahu. Your wife is not part of your children. So don't treat your wife like your children. So your wife is not your child. Yes, your wife is not part of your children. Stop treating your wife like a child. As one name answer, that dear be obey of you, out treating the same of fra. Ha. Memory and a call, and then person me activity lines in them. Number 7. Never. We a bema team a same way pa. School fees never bring a rich friend to so close to your friend. To your wife. What down for now sikawan and semino. Never bring a rich friend so close to your beautiful wife. TME. What down for no in some ye chain. Whoa. One will say opema. Sheye. Your mema bebre and down for pag a year on any da. Bebre abamanim. Or the sika dead deno. Ama Obano and in a chimpra. Because Ninsamo ye chain are down for no. Bema the bonania won't she. Oh, wow, I go pay crocasim. Onim she office na dam for no penasem oba adam phobia sikani wo ko to the no be battle pepe wasem with the intention no man sikano ani age biawani na kan wa hintasem. Number 8, stop being a lazy husband. You may lose your position as a husband in the house. If you want to keep your wife, work hard. Katachew kan osima wadwuma nya dai ehiaw. Be ma utie me. Enkase badwuma say force na abeton aton. Ensuo na abeton aton. The moment I want to contribute to bibi ofie no ebuo beba. Hey, many ba bebre din komo last week. Ade ba ko omo kan no. Me said akofatuma the free omanu mu ba no na we. Bema de onya adwuma. Bema de onya adwuma. And I'm say oh na so. We are bema na onya adwuma utiti se odwanti o. E man fa wonya hu. Wo wo fefri him fa be fem han. Eti okunai. Ma woni mre adwuma. Entrefie se ma adwuma sei na se wo se wo kobọ dade e wo se wo ye mercy e wo so ye bibi na unya bibi beto pro so a na wo hold your integrity and do it. Wo koba ye no adwuma bia no ye fere enye anano me catch them me see ohia e ya kwadworo e moto e na adwuma nsamu wo ye okuna. If you want to keep your wife, work hard. Stop being lazy. Stop being procrastinating. Na adwuma we de mempe adwuma we de mpe uchi taxi na fe ni raje eti taxi nkwa na betima twi ni wiase ye ba jo yire firi unsem awi akete na ba oba no be ma de ne ko obe fire to say obi a se bi o ma no sumna so kokram yade bi a che na yenya ho aduro. Keep your wife by working hard. Ye juma anya hwe utumi to watade ye hye anya hwe utumi to aduane utumi de sika to table so oba ne bebu. Stop being a lazy husband. Some of you nyamia nim no bedi no kura wa ma wo yire bre ejesi ebuodi ni die ni fie. Afei ma me fa we twa so next week e beto aso echna say next week. Do not deny your wife of sex while you satisfy yourself outside. She may be tempted likewise. Oba no wonye timedua o feelings o watinka. Bema bi o ha ni bufu ni yire kakra bia no na be 1 month 3 months on fa ne ho kan. E ba bebre frɛ me 6 months ni me kunu ni me nada. Bema kan no kre 6 months na on nada no taskwa no hwi bi wo ba bi. Would enjoy at the expense of your wife because waka sembia ma obuofu ubufu ye no wo sperms atikombo a ubufu ye no be ma no sori bioda why you didn't change now this maso abonten wo anu pepa anu abeda din and I will yire otiti na obre oba bi betima se ne so o fa ne nko one way ya wo house boy and the best service o yire na ma o driver no service o yire na ma ada wo ko hu ye wo ko tintini ai oba ware fo ni so yesa o feelings o ye nipa nyamisuro nti ene wa twene ho na nyamisuro ni yire atinka ne burufa no so a eti ma bebre eye lesbianism ni ade menka se kwan so mo ye wo mu kunum na apia o makoho eti na danfo no oba ho no se okofa be ma ene obi be ka se dai oni be ma bi ne nam oni yonko ba ne nam no mo do mo se wo mo ho because be ma no denying of sex. It's right, it's so wrong. You are not supposed to do that. But sometimes you push people to the wall. I'm telling you the truth. You're denying your wife of sex and you're satisfying yourself outside. Onya odai. Dear boni nkwan wa ya ntumi fanche no. Akosia girl binti. Oyire ye kolo. Oba na onyini ye no ono so watenka o. Na funu aye kese na ose enye ofe no. Ankwala no owo ne ma woni ntina na funu aye sa. Na fu ye kese ne to na ye ketwa. Akosia de ne to so. To say the whole the who. Sa girl no mane ngu ba ko mienu. Oyire na awo 9 ne ho kra be ye fa chen no. Oba bi wo kra oyire kra awo 9 ne ho ofe chen no. Stop treating your wife like you are the time be. On we say na not here. Into a the anatomy and physiology of that woman will change. Into no so nko liposuction. Me man be brain na man twetwa twa mo yam ni ade a pro ye kuro ni hwan ni ade a wu by heart na say no. Boka hu bi. Na me fancy ha. Yame ya aduma echina yebeto aso extra comfort mattress papa aware for mattress wo mo daso ahotonko a match ni bibia koso kama te me kamfo am say wo so koje extra comfort mattress afrancho afuase nche hwa afuase ye wo king size wo daso otim say queen size ye wo single ye wo double student mattress ahodo na what team say wada hey extra comfort papa b for 0242 810 705 0242 810 705 na bibia nkoso afa tonisac ane ye kofa tv papa ne ahwe ma relaxe eno amagye ademu pa na me hwe manchester ne ebogum say na msiye o say city abena bakasa manchester che o man mani age train on mom say nko adwa amedwa no e na akomi aba betoma TVs ahodo fridges freezers air conditioners papa bi na bon say ya esa so entwe current ya sa de net afani munti no mfutro nkom tinye 2 months, 3 months, be an hour service. Washing machines, gas cookers, microwaves, rice cookers, blenders, kettles, home theaters, electric irons, papa. Friends 0500 309 309 0500 309 309. Mama one kind. We put do support to Kumasini Ghana have a 0244 266 193 0244 266 193. Afei mibie ahomana tum. Mibie ahomana tum. Number no is 0551 931 931. Okunu dia na wasia. Oyire dia na wasia. 0551 931 931 and 0548. Please. 0548 931 931 0548 931 931. So hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Yes, why nie?
Because you can just Santa Monica.
Oh, Mammy Tiano pay.
Ama the program I end there. I can't on them like this year. The next is 7 as the name is and I'm not all back. And I want to burn my with the idea. You know, I am to set every government of a ministry.
Yeah, the entity say Sikaba and Sem to why else said dormat.
Oma mistanko maybe me kwasa maybe
aba
ama
bo ho so ho na ya woni ma bi wa oba wo so ye uji sika ko ye uti uji sika ko to ya woni ma bi o ha musa okunu yire ho na bo ho so na ye adwuma se wo ko ye uti ni sa ne ma no enne dia wo se oba wo ma ne be ye se ukunu ne mouse ka ko ye uti ukunu ne mouse ka ko to nchene ukune mouse kakoto entos debi we yes ade odo be dormat what the make no bo ho so na mo animre na ho so e ba ti yo uko wo shoot ni ade a eni so be ma uko sade ko ha no so ye adwuma what the make no
adwuma ya me ni hye o nya pon
yo
ase ko ade wonya kon na me se adwuma kwa no ni nya adwuma hye
no so de mo onya adwuma hye sei
Nina sakaka na mapom me family.
Uja adwumasian no abetena fie said na na yenti.
Ah na mjisa na sana ni shia jima kure omwane. Na ni nya jwa na metena fie sana mwaba papa na nya film.
Ah ene
intini nya sa jwa na.
Why ade?
Ah timeka kana sa acha na se kwa de. Sabe ekono eye wanchi. Den ka kusia. Ase crowd was say I'm a good name to say. Someone did not be judged in a man. You need that big guy. Am I? So I did a shot in that quite close, so I could too much do.
A higher quaho from a chin in Komawai.
That's a number we are so.
02051709969. Besabu Bobio. I mean, Connie Panados, woman. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Pacho Hanye.
Pacho Usni.
Ozuma Mintil.
Papa, my that's fine. Futu adi amai. The beer because I'm going to be a mathematical. You can take a calendar to move a biamda. Futu was at my masafa.
Fana fire Juma Beboa with RCP. Hello, good morning.
Salamu alaikum, Omanhene.
Salamu.
Unuma fosla sunyai. Enye izo Omanhene. Empenyi se o de shipenyi enwu ya o de shikuma amfa de de enwa wa ne ho. Omanhene ti ase ya ogusu ye redo de masa obi ankoda. Omanhene anopai wakansem bebre watu yofonso. Na unse mema ni bebre na o ha o ma fama ne for granted. But Serobia Mekasa Soba said, want me uncle school. You don't want to obey Juma. Before them, I found I bet Nalison, and I also watch your Juma or Juma on San or Juma.
That's right.
And now, of course, school, or my money be Brena and Perjuma, almost social media, TikTok, na the for over warrior what's now warrior no 777 pardon point the beman and the mouse can cut up. At the moment now beman yes I never win yes I know by was on your warrior as you are now still see a chroma and no die.
Last week see I can watch him. Medasi Oluma nipa ne dɔso. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning, say.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hey, we just so. When you're ready, I am fine this way. Good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Yes, my dear. Why do you?
What's about you in the door to the same?
I try to say.
How should you now say?
I'm in Tira no pay.
I'm not paying me sure. But I can't make any say, you're worrying again. Sometimes it feels you my you want to say your area is here. You said you're now okay, then for what? But you put in your above and grandma or no more structure, no more. It's been my dear partner, but we are done with you. Everyone will never know what will be a bonus. You best say, man, I am one man on from Kakra, and some of them so when money before, and you find I will soon be for the beer as a soldier at the good fee. I mean, shall.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Patch on when ye.
Eric Usini and Tibo, the Obama Gazette, upon Chibli tobacco pay.
Upon Jim, I'm in Tira no pay.
Omanhene, the Waka so. You know, Kunapan, Wakatan, you were member to her, or from my nephew. You were member to also, Puma respect to and so because don't they saw by almost a Ubuno, who respect and no opportunity. To just Ubuno, done into the over can win.
Unfortunately, Abonchi break. And no Nayana, I reho 7 say, Yana Sao Bano, Sabu, Najimoha. So could ya bema or Tiwasi do Eddie Bumawa. It was so sonosro. Oba onim nyansa no. Ofi say bema no womre. No afani cheap. Sa oba no. Ohwere sa bema no a. Ada no na kemsa che ka the same thing. Ube bre papa. Unya no so bema bio da. Omba bo total sa. Etu bema wo life ma on kasentia omro de ope odema kura ne sekosua ye nyansani ba ne kura ne sekosua na ofri wo nchen a kona ko busa omo ama yes anema na hwere some those type of men they are rare. Coming from Sia. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
When ye from Voter region, I'm in Tiwano pay.
Yami Shroud.
Amen. Amen.
Show. As somehow can and no one I mean Bukana Joe. And I do it, Minimu Ekatas. While what you want, Jimmy, our best way. I could pay or back to do it. Our banner to me, give myself. Ya sema ukano pawe wa ya masam pepe. Dimi ya wonba.
Oh, mama fan tuja. Ye de kase no ebrel. Ye wi a ene ye de ade a chebe adwumadie anopai. Ye be din komo bi a pim so se to ababi o. E de tuja e fa galamsey ho. E ya de a e hu hia se ye nyina twe adwene kɔ ho.